What's up everybody, this is Nick. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a video using TikTok and upload it to Canvas in under 3 minutes. If you've used TikTok before, this should be familiar, but first make sure that your camera is facing away from the window, not toward the window, to ensure correct lighting. Also be sure to record in 60-second mode, and when you're ready, press the record button. As you can see in this video, you can't hear the audio yet, but you will have a chance to hear it once I show you the captioning feature. Once you're done, be sure to click the red check mark, and then you should be able to access the video editing screen. Under no circumstances should you hit the text button at the bottom. Instead, you're going to hit the little arrow at the right, and then that will reveal the captions button. If you've never used the caption feature before, you'll have to accept a prompt. Otherwise, your captions will automatically generate.
Hey everybody, this is my minute to win it video submission. I hope you find the information in this video to be extremely compelling, and I hope you vote for me in this minute to win it video.
We need to edit these captions. Hit the edit button, the little pencil button, and then you'll need to fix all the punctuation errors. You'll need to fix capitalization. There's going to be some words that are malpropisms, meaning that they're incorrect or they're typos, and you'll need to fix those as well. Once you've gone through the entire script of captions, then you'll be able to save the video. So make sure that you hit the save button at the top. Once you're done, then you'll be able to save again, and that will save the captions onto the video, then hit the next button. Two features to be aware of. First of all, you may want to set it so that only you can see these videos and not other people. You also want to make sure that you save the videos with captions to your device before you upload it. Once you're done, hit that upload video button. That will download a copy to your device, which if you look in your Photos app or Android equivalent, you should be able to pull up. And that should appear in the app itself. Once you've done that and you've checked that the captions are showing up and that you've verified that they're available, you should then be able to submit them to Canvas. You'll want to pull up Canvas Student, find the discussion that you are submitting your video to. Once you find that discussion, hit the reply button. In the reply field, you're going to see a little scrolling bar, and you'll want to scroll all the way to the right. Hit the image option at the very far right, and then you'll want to select your video that you uploaded. Once you choose to upload it there, your video will compress. You'll be able to add it to the post. Hit send once you are done. Then after you submit it, make sure that it works and you're all good to go.
Hey everybody, this is my minute to win it video submission. I hope you find the information in this video to be extremely compelling, and I hope you vote for me in this minute to win it video.